Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss a very important point. As most of the students say like they face difficulty in relating the concept with the given question, that what should be the step they should take when they are starting to solve the question, or what is that formula which will be the most suitable one to get the answer for that given question. So we are going to talk about this thing in today's session, that how you can easily identify all these things and you can reach to the final and the correct answer after taking all these steps. But before starting the discussion about all these important points, I'm just quickly gonna provide you some information related to Unacademy Plus subscription. So guys, as since last few days I was providing you the information related to this thing, that there can be a price hike for the Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay, so now today I'm going to tell you about the exact date when this price hike will take place. Also, you know that like you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as it is mentioned here, and by using and by applying this referral code you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Now guys, when this price hike will take place, let's talk about that thing. So from 25th December, okay, there will be a price hike for the Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So if you're planning or you want to take the Unacademy Plus subscription to attend the regular live classes by all the top educators for your upcoming CSIR NET and GATE physics exams preparation, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription before there is gonna be a price hike. Okay. And guys, whenever you are gonna take the subscription, use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as it is mentioned here. No space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Now guys, to take the subscription, either you can download the Unacademy Learning app in your phone, okay, and then you can just select the category like CSIR UGC NET if you want to take the subscription for the CSIR UGC NET category, and then further you can proceed for taking the subscription. Also guys, one more thing, that if you just want to check it directly in the Google, so in Google Chrome you can search Unacademy Plus and then you can select the category CSIR UGC NET, and then you can proceed for the subscription, and that's how you will be able to take the subscription. Okay, and many new courses are soon going to start on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSIR NET exam preparation as well as for the GATE physics exam preparation. So guys, all these courses by all the top educators will help you to prepare well for your upcoming exam, and all these courses together will be very much helpful for all of you. So if you want to attend the live classes of all these courses, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Now guys, let's talk about this thing, that what are the steps you can follow or which will be very much helpful for all of you to get the right concept in the given question, or to know about it, like what should be your first step or all the steps which you will have to take to solve any question correctly. If I'm going to talk about any question, okay, it can be any question which you are gonna solve when you are practicing the questions, or when you are in the examination hall, there is any such question which you are gonna solve for the first time, or some type of question is there done. So in that case, what you need to do? You need to firstly observe this thing, that whether the concept or that thing, whatever like the statement has been given in that question, are you able to relate it with some topic or any subject particularly. Like sometimes it's gonna happen, we are going to have any word written in that question which helps us to identify that from which subject we can have this question. So if when you have read the question for the first time and you are not getting it, then read it again and try to get some keywords. Okay, keywords means which will help you to identify like, okay, this is the subject this question can belong to. Okay, once you relate it with the subject, now see from that particular subject, what is that topic? Is there any topic related to which you are getting this question, or are you able to relate it with any of those topics? And if yes, okay, you can proceed further. If no, that means you may not have prepared that topic. Okay, it can be the situation. Then without wasting any time for that particular question, you should switch to the next question. You should start the next one, and at the end you can go through this one once again if you think you can solve it. Okay, but don't devote so much time in one single question. Okay, and take the smart action, take the quick action if you are not able to relate the second point, that is the topic, okay, from any of the subjects you have considered that this question can belong to. Then you should move to the next question. And if you are able to relate the topic, and if you have already prepared that topic, now think about all the formulae you had in that particular topic, all the formulae which were there. Okay, whether there were only 5 formulae or 10, or just recall them, you don't need to write all of them, and then see the given information or the given formula in the question, how they can help you, okay, to get the final answer either with one single formula or by relating two formulae together. That means in the first step you need to use the one formula, and in the second step you may have to use the second one. Clear? So that means you may have to use more than one formula to get the final answer for that given question. So that's how, guys. Now this thing depends on two factors, whether you will be able to get the final and the right answer for that question or not. What are these two factors? These are, the first one is, did you prepare that topic? Okay, do you know that topic? If yes, you can get the answer. If no, okay, then you may not be able to get the answer because you don't know about the topic. But again, there is one more situation. Sometimes the questions which have been given to you, all the information, all the things you need to solve that question can even be given in the question. So see what are the parameters given, what are the expressions given. Normally if they have given some condition that if this is going to happen then this will happen and all, so it can be something like which can be helpful for you to get the final answer. Or if they have given you some expressions in the question, maybe they have provided you the formula too. Clear? So you can proceed after that, you can just try to take the further steps by using this expression and you can get the answer. So one thing, if you don't know the formula, there are less chances that you will be able to get the answer for the first point, that is topic, whether you are able to relate it or not. Okay, and if expressions are given and the question is new for you, then also you can get the answer. So do it step by step, and once you are gonna practice it in this way, what you can do to make a good command on all these concepts and on this thing, that you should be able to get the final answer. So once you are gonna work on these parameters, guys, or these things step by step, now I would suggest you one thing. You will have so many previous year questions from the CSIR NET exam as well as the GATE physics exam. What you need to do, you don't need to solve them completely in one go. When you want to command on this thing that you should be able to relate the right concept in the right question. So guys, take all those previous year questions, not all those, at a time 5 or 10 questions. Okay, now read the question and just try to relate the concept. Okay, relate the concept. And now if you are having those questions solved, like you are already having the answer, the steps of the answer and all, so check whether what you were thinking, is it same like that? Did they take the same step, or they have taken the different steps? Okay, so you need to relate it in this way, and if you will do this thing, you will get to know where you are making mistake in relating the concepts, in taking the steps, and then try to improve there. Okay, try to think like, oh, this was the reason I thought like this will be the step, but this is not actually the step, this is the right step, and when I'm taking this particular step, I'm gonna get the answer just in few steps. Then clear? So which approach is better, which one is right? And let's say if you are gonna see their answer, like somewhere you are having the solved questions and you are gonna see their answer, so their steps are different than what you were thinking. So what you should do at that time, you should even try to solve the question with your steps, with the steps you were thinking will be correct. Okay, so in that way if you will do it, okay, you will be able to get like either a new approach, or you will be able to get like, oh, this is wrong because I'm gonna not get the right answer there. Okay, so you will learn something. Okay, these things may take time when you are gonna start working on them, but once you will command these skills, they will help you throughout your life. Okay, even you will be able to help others with these skills, because these are some of the things like once we are gonna master them, we can just solve any type of question from any subject and any like general question too. Okay, it can be helpful a lot in different situations. So try to work on this thing. I hope it will be helpful for you, and these are some general ideas and effective ideas which I'm providing you during these sessions, these videos, and I hope they will be helpful for all of you, because most of the times students say this thing that we know concept, but it becomes difficult for us to relate the right concept at right time in right question, okay, in the type of questions which they are gonna get. So I hope guys this is gonna be helpful for all of you. If you have watched this video till the end, I hope you have got the things which I have discussed, the points I have discussed, and try to work on all these things. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Also guys, as I have provided you this information in the starting too, that is on 25th or from 25th December we are going to have price hike for the Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Like there will be a price hike, and new batches are even gonna start soon on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSR, NET and GATE exam preparation. So if you want, if you are planning to take the subscription, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription now, and you can use and apply the referral code Anjali Arora as it is mentioned here, no space in between, and that's how you need to write the spelling as it is. Okay, and apply it and get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. If you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and guys you can even press the bell icon after that, so that you will be able to get the notifications related to the new videos I will upload on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics exam. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.